Now what we want is we shouldn't be able to there's no sense if we are adding the model manually, right? What we want is that whenever a person enters his first name and email and clicks on let me in, only then the model or the values inside the first name and the email should be added inside the database. So now this is going to be really easy. Guess why? Because we have already created our models.py file and we have created the student model. So let's go back to our code and see the step-by-step process on how to add stuff inside your database using the forms. So the first thing we need to do is actually go to the form. So we are going to go to our templates and go inside our index.html, and then let's go to our form. So in the form we have two things, that is the first name and the email. So the first thing we need to do is add some kind of a name attribute to both of them. So what we're going to do inside this input tag, I'm just going to write the name equals to, and I'm going to call it fname. And inside this another div tag over here in the input one, I'm just going to call it, let's give it a name. And inside this name, I'm just going to call it email. Pretty simple, nothing too complex. All right, so we already have a name over here. So let's actually remove this name. We don't want this name, we want a new name. And I didn't realize you already had a name, so that doesn't matter.